guys, it's Jessalyn Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really pretty eyeshadow look that I really like to do. It's really full glam, but if that's what you're into and you're like me, then I'm going to show you a tutorial. You can wear this out to whatever occasion you like. If you're going to a party, if you're going on a date, who knows, whatever you're doing, you can wear this eyeshadow look practically anywhere. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram at JessalynMarieB, Twitter at JessalynMarie1, and my Snapchat is Jessalyn1001. I hope you enjoy. Let's get on with the video. To start off, I like to go in with the Morphe M433 brush and my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I know it's not an eyeshadow palette, but to start off, I like to go in with this shade right here because it's a really pretty light brown and it's not as dramatic as normal eyeshadow is because it's supposed to be contour and it's not meant to be used as eyeshadow, but like, we're a resourceful sister right here, so I'm just gonna apply that right here just to kind of start off as a nice little really light transition shade. Then after that, I like to go in with an actual eyeshadow palette, my Anastasia Norvina one, and go in with the shade Incense, which is the one right here, and I like to use my Morphe M433 brush for this also. And I'm going to apply that right underneath. Now, to kind of make this look different, I like to use just any like card that you have or whatever. And I'll take my card and go right here. And I'll try and line it up as best as I can with my waterline. And I'll just line it right there to kind of make it a dramatic line. And it really just kind of ties the look together, so yeah. Then after that, I like to dip into the shade Eccentric, which is the orangier shade right there. And I'll kind of apply that like on top of it, just to blend the shades together better. Then I'll take a Morphe M456 brush and the shade Violet, which is the dark brown right there. It's kind of gray, it has kind of a gray undertone. And then I'll take it right here to kind of deepen up my crease. Then I'll take the M456 brush again and I'll dip in with the shade Eccentric. But instead of applying that where I did last time, I'm going to go ahead and take about right here. If you need to get your card out again, go ahead and do that because that can really help define this so you don't get out of the lines. So then once the top part is almost all complete, there's one more step that I want to do. I go back in with the Shade and Light palette and I take a brush kind of like this. I don't know what brush this is. It's similar to an M433 brush, but it's not one. I got it off Ipsy. And I dip back in with the shade. And I'll take that right here. Then I'll go back in with this palette and take the shade Incense lightly. And I'll take that right here. Really make sure to blend this down and out too. So now that the eyeshadow part is all complete, it's time for my favorite step, which is to add the liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going in with a Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. And I just like to apply that right here to cut out the crease. So this side's all complete and I'm really happy about how it turned out. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so my look is all complete. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's a super pretty, just like really natural kind of look that you can wear wherever you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And since this is kind of like a natural, like first date kind of video, go ahead and drop in the comments what your favorite first date idea is. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at JesslynMarieB, Twitter at JesslynMarie1, and my Snapchat is Jesslyn1001. Thanks for watching!